Okay, guys. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to AWS plus DevSecOps. So, projector. Okay, guys. So, in Saturday session, we discuss as a backup class, right? If you have a time, just go through this. Okay, in one class, we discuss everything, the architecture, what is, where Docker will come, everything we have discussed. Just go through the recording. Even though, sir, I have all attended your previous classes, even you just go through this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me change chart, everyone. Yes. Am I audible? Online team. Can anyone please confirm? I can't see. Okay. Sorry. Let me share my screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible now. Okay, guys. So in the last, Saturday, the backup class, we discuss one more time the process. Okay. And perm to, sorry, the enter DevOps process. So the recordings, I'm going to share the recording, even though just follow that. If you are here from the day one also, no problem. One more time, you can see this recording. You will get a clarity one more time. Okay. Yeah. So I hope anyone has joined today? No, right? Okay, great. What about online? Anyone has joined today? Okay, great. Then we can. Okay, Naresh, you just. Amit, my end is clear. Can you please check in your end? Amit, yeah. So Naresh, you just go through the recordings. Okay, 6 recordings you will get. Any weekend you can plan it to see the recordings if you are working. Right? So I think today, if you are start from today also, no problem. So we are going to discuss only AWS from today, and already AWS global infrastructure one class we have discussed, right? So this class may continue for that only. Okay, guys. Okay, shall we start? Anything need to discuss, guys? Anyone? Okay, let's go to Paint. So, guys, if you can go in the architecture, so our entire DevOps journey is in any one of the cloud, is a AWS or Azure or GCP. If you know any one of the cloud, is very easy to process. Yeah, you can work with Azure, you can work with GCP, all are same only. Okay, there is no much difference. Only 5% difference is there, especially for DevOps engineers. Only 5% difference. If you are a cloud engineer, for example, you are a cloud engineer, you already completed AWS certification or AWS content something. If you want to move any Azure background, you need to work hard at least 30%. The reason is you need to deal so many services in AWS. But if you are coming to the DevOps, only few services, EC2 service, storage service, database service, only 3-4 services only comes under DevOps point of view. So if the project is on Azure also, no problem. You can easily understand the difference AWS and Azure in only 2 days, 3 days only. That's it only. The process, the Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, all are same process only. That is not related to any cloud. But our server is running in the cloud. That's the difference only. Okay. Our focus is if you are going to install your Jenkins or Docker or Kubernetes in the server where the server is running is the matter here. Is Azure or AWS or GCP? That is the only difference. But commands, Docker list of commands, Terraform commands, Kubernetes commands, all are same. It will not change cloud to cloud. It's clear? Yeah. So our so you may this role you may fit for Azure DevOps engineer, Azure plus DevOps engineer, GCP plus DevOps engineer also you can fit in this class. Okay. You need to more focus just 5%. That is, you can plan 2 days only. Okay. If required, I will show you how to create Azure GCP server also in one class. May you will get a clarity that one also. Okay. Okay, guys. So as we know the architecture here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let me show the architecture of AWS. Already we have discussed why AWS only instead of Azure and GCP. We have already discussed, right? The advantages of AWS. Yeah. So guys, if you can see here, so from today onwards, we are going to enter into the networks, guys. AWS networks are very, very important. Without networking concept, definitely you stuck in somewhere. AWS network. Okay. Guys, we know, right? This is, for example, region. Okay, maybe Mumbai or Hyderabad or UK, US, whatever it is region. If I'm talking about network, first we need to understand which region it is. So for example, this is AP South 1, means Mumbai region, right? What we discuss, Mumbai region. Okay. So now if you can see here, inside Mumbai, we will get what? Availability zones. How many? Those are 3 availability zones, right? So, okay, this is one availability zone. This is one availability zone, and this is one availability zone. Clear, right? 3 availability zones. Insides missions are going to create as what we discuss: EC2s, EC2 servers, or EC2 server. Okay, this is very clear. So my question is, AWS is no, just no started session. Okay, my question is, guys, AWS is public network or private network? Public network. Okay, let's assume now. This is TCS company, Wipro company. TCS is created one server in Mumbai region. Wipro is created one more server in Mumbai region, different availability zone. Okay, let me write availability zone name. This is 1A, 1B, or 1C. Okay, 1C. So now one more company. So CTS created one more server. So any availability zone? No. Let's assume here 1A. Okay, 1A. So if you can see here, everyone, if you can see, as we discuss, AWS is a public cloud we are discussing now, right? AWS is a public cloud. If it is a public cloud, you can create a server in one availability zone, and also others can create a server in one availability zone. Yeah. So then in that case, my doubt is, where is the security here? Clear? If it is a public cloud, everyone can create the servers. If you can see here, yes, TCS is created server, Wipro created a server, CTS created a servers, but all are in same availability zones. All are in Mumbai region. Clear? Then where is the security? See, if Wipro guy or other guy, if you can go here, there is no big deal to come here. The reason is all are in same region. All are in same availability zones. Then how to provide a security to here? So in the public cloud, maybe the cloud providers, see, if it is a public cloud, everyone can create, everyone can access your servers, then what is the use? So then cloud providers are saying, we have a one option. That's what we have implemented, one option, private layer on the public layer. Clear? Private layer in the public layer. That private layer is called VPC. VPC. Virtual Private Cloud. virtual private cloud. I mean, this VPC, if you create a VPC means this will work for only you. Whoever create VPC, that is individual security layer. Okay. For example, now the same process, if you can see, VPCs are regional levels. VPCs are regional levels. Okay. So VPC regional level means if your VPC secure means definitely inside availability zones are secure, right? Okay. That is very clear. Okay. So VPC regional level means, for example, now TCS is going to create a one service or one server. The work, so they can start their infrastructure like this way. First is regional means VPC. Okay. They need to create a VPC first. Okay. Okay. This is VPC. Clear now? Okay. This is VPC. So the task is TCS is going to create a one server in AWS cloud. Okay. This is VPC. Okay. If you can see here, my TCS is going to create a server. Yes, TCS is going to create a server. For that, TCS created one VPC. I mean, in the public cloud, there is a private cloud, that is virtual private cloud. Now, yes, inside what? Availability zones are there, right? Yes, in network, we can discuss 2 days. If you have any confusion, don't worry, you will get a clarity in 2 days. Since this is very first class, right, for network, right? Maybe you are not from the network background. It's very difficult to understand, but try to understand. Only 2 days, you will get a 100% clarity. What these are inside availability zones. So 1 or 2 or 3, anyway, I'm taking only one layer, one availability zone. For example, inside availability zone, servers means what? EC2 instance. Okay. This is what? Regional level. VPC is a regional level. This is availability zone. This is server. Is it clear, guys? No? So if you can see, okay. Yes, very good, Mohammed. If you can see, my TCS is created own VPC. And inside VPC, as we know, availability zones are there in the regional under. Inside availability zone, EC2 is created. Now, same thing as we discussed in the Wipro level. So now Wipro. Now Wipro is able to create EC2 instance in this? No, right? So if they try to create here, not acceptable. This is private layer, not public layer to enter. This is TCS created VPC. TCS created VPC. Okay. The same thing vice versa. If Wipro is created VPC, others cannot allow. So VPC means virtual private cloud. It's a your cloud in your AWS. They are providing this layer is a very secure. Others will not allow. Okay. Sir, is it like creating a virtual machine? Yes, same thing, right? That's what we discussed in the last classes, right? Same process to create a virtual machine. This is, guys, this is physical machine or virtual machine? This is VM. This is cloud VM. The backend one physical machine is running. They're giving VM, that's it only. Just go through my previous classes, especially virtualization concept is very important. I have given very clear clarity on that. Just go through that. I think day 5th or day 4th. See this, see that video, you will get a clarity. Sir, I have one web application, supports more traffic. Okay, that's we can discuss later. Okay. Anyway, we are in the very baby steps. We are discussing the network. I will give clarity, multiple applications, how we can handle everything will come into the picture. Don't worry, guys, that I can take care. Okay, just focus here. Now the same thing, Wipro is created one VPC. and one availability zone and one EC2. So in the Amazon public cloud, different VPCs. Okay, understand. Amazon, we are in the Amazon public cloud. Yes, I can understand. AWS is a public cloud. Okay, but we are creating a VPCs, means virtual private clouds. So no one can enter in your VPCs. Okay, so now in this case, Wipro is created, right? This VPC Wipro is created. So only Wipro can access this server. So now trying to access TCS? No, it will block in VPC level. This is not your VPC to create a server inside. This is TCS created VPC. So you can try with, or Wipro created, we will try with your VPC. Is it clear now? VPC is a virtual private cloud to give a security in the regional level of your project. So if you are implementing any project now, 100% if you are going to create a server means you have to choose which VPC it is. So you have to create a first VPC. Clear now? Very first step is you have to create a VPC. Okay. So first step, step one is create VPC. My VPC is in regional level or not? Yes, regional level. So before that, you need to choose which region you are going to create a VPC. Is it clear? Yeah. So after region selection, create a VPC. So in our Terraform sessions, we are going to create Terraform is a infrastructure as a tool. Means as a as a DevOps engineers, create a VPC means you should not create by manual process. You should create through using Terraform. Is it clear, everyone? That's what DevOps come into the picture. So this is creating by Terraform. By using Terraform means you need to understand manual process first, how to create VPC. That manual steps, whatever you are going to perform, we are calling using Terraform. If you don't know how to create manual step, Terraform also zero. Is it clear? Sir, I know everything how to Terraform, how to use the functions, how to use the dependency source, how to use the so many blocks. You know how to use Terraform, but you have to know how to create a servers in manually. Then Terraform will do it, right? For example, VPC selection, create a VPC. You know, you are in the, you have a good knowledge on Terraform, but you don't know how to create VPC by manual process. Then your Terraform knowledge is zero, not required. You know how to create AWS first manually, then learn Terraform. The manual steps you are going to go by in the Terraform script. Clear? You will get to know in the 15 days. We are going to enter into 15-20 days in that after AWS. Is it clear, guys? So if you are going to launch EC2 instance, the first step is create a VPC. Is it clear, everyone? Why VPC? To protect security. No, this is not AWS firewall. Sharma. Yes. How many VPs are created? That's what I'm coming to the picture. So we can create up to 5 VPCs. Sir, only 5 now. If I want to launch 1 lakh servers, how to do it? Guys, is there any limit for one VPC? These many servers you need to create? No, right? One VPC you can create multiple servers. Why different VPCs? Maybe if you are dealing other project. For example, TCS is doing project for what happened? Ekada? Just please 1 minute. మాట్లాడతారంట. ఓకే ఓకే. మేక్ ఏ co-host. I'm going to mute. Okay. 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 Cool, guys. So, okay, everyone. Yeah. So once you create a VPC, the first step is, okay. For example, 5 VPCs means per account per region, we can create 5 VPCs. This is very important steps. Many people learn only 5 VPCs. Understand the terms and conditions also. Okay. Each account per region, we can create 5 VPCs. You will get enter notes from today. Okay. In the Telegram, please join the Telegram link. We are going to share in the Telegram link and classroom, everything we are going to create today. So you will get everything from today, everyday notes and something. Okay, guys. See, for example, we can create up to 5 VPCs per account per region. For example, Mumbai, I can create 5 VPCs. Sir, if you want to create, so why five VPCs? One also fine, right? Come, 100% one also fine. The reason inside we can create multiple servers per account. For example, TCS is implementing project for Apple. So account is Apple, VPC is Apple, TCS is doing, right? Again, TCS is going to create one more project for Uber. Now we cannot use Apple account for Uber, right? Now Uber account will come. Again, Uber account 5 VPCs. You need to understand. And each region. Even though this is default actions, really requirement is that you can increase the quota also by contacting your customer support, AWS. Hey, 5 is not sufficient for me. You can increase to 10. Yes, they will increase. Is it clear? By default actions, 5 is the default actions. Okay. So region is equal to VPC now. Clear, right? We are creating a region means creating VPC indirectly. Sir, without creating VPC, can I go with everything in the public? Is it any possibilities? VPC public, VPC? No. There is no nothing like only VPC. That's it only. There is no again VPC public, again VPC private. If you want to do any activity in the cloud, you have to create VPC first. That's it. Is it clear? Region means VPC. You are creating region means you are creating VPC indirectly. Clear? So our region is Mumbai, right? Our region is Hyderabad. You can create VPC in Mumbai, Hyderabad. Okay? Not in Vizag. There is no region in Vizag. So you cannot create VPC in Vizag. Is it clear? Okay. Each account means AWS account only. Okay? And remember this step, maybe in the Terraform, if you are going to try many times running the Terraform script, you will get an error, VPC quota full. Remember this, word at that time. So you need to delete any 2 or 3 VPCs. If you are trying, keep on creating a VPCs, after 5 you are creating Terraform script, you will get an error, your VPC quota full in this region. So you need to delete one VPC and recreate again. The manual, multiple steps we need to configure, but Terraform, once you configure, you are applying multiple times. Terraform apply, it's creating multiple times. Means creating multiple VPCs. Creating VPC, come to know, okay, I have already created 4 VPC, this is a 50 VPC, but Terraform don't know, right? Terraform created, will get an error. That's what. Add one company can have multiple AWS accounts. That is your wish. I have six AWS accounts. Who stop you if you pay the bill, right or not? Yeah. But I'm not following 7:30 AM account for you. I'm not following 9 AM account for 7:30. That's it only, right? Clear? No confusions, right? Okay. Here one more concept is going to add here. Yes, VPC clear, right? Online team, no doubts, right? Okay, no doubts. Okay. So now I'm going to jump one more concept. Okay, my question is now, okay, you have created VPC. Okay, you have created VPC in the Mumbai region. AP South 1. So one VPC, I can create a multiple servers. That we know, right? That we know. So how to select subnet? I mean, availability zone. For example, you have a 4 servers. Just you need to create a 4 servers. Okay. This is EC2. Sorry, EC2 1 and 2 second server. This is your requirement to create a third server, fourth server. So for that, first you need to create a VPC, right? Yes, VPC is created. Next, availability zones. We need to choose availability zones, right? Okay, we need to choose availability zones. So this availability zones. Okay, my requirement is actually 1, 2, 3, 4 servers not in only one availability zones. Different availability zones. 1, 2 is one availability zones. 3, 4 is other availability zones. There is a requirement. Okay. So if it is a one availability zone, for example, all 4 are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? All 4 are here. In the network, guys, we have a different rules are there. That rules can apply only 2 servers, not apply for 4 servers. I mean, giving access I'm saying about. For example, inside availability zones, I have a 3 servers. Now, give 3 servers access to one person, but not fourth one. If 4 are there in one availability zone, we can't control. Right? We can't control. If you give this access means 3 means 4 also indirectly you are giving access. All are in same availability zones. I need to control this flow. No, I can give only 2 access, not 3. I can give 4 access, not 1. You need to control the network. If you have 1,000 servers now, you should not maintain 1,000 servers in one availability zones. Disaster recovery, as we discuss also. So maybe these two are related same application. These two are related same application. Now set off these 2 servers in one availability zones. Set off these 2 servers in one availability zone. Like that we can manage. Okay, complete our wish. All are in same availability zones. But coming to the network concepts, guys. For example, I'm going to give entire internet to India. There is no boundaries. If I can give India means everyone can use, right? If I want to control respect to only one street, it is very difficult. The reason we are in India. We are not in India, I can control. You need to orchestrate like that, right? But your servers are inside one VPC. If VPC level, if you are giving access means all servers we can give access. Clear or not? In availability zone, one level give access means everything is going to give in access in availability zone 1. Availability zone 2 level also same like that. So there is a concept to avoid these things. We have a concepts called subnets. Network inside network called a subnetwork. Okay. For example, this is my subnet 1. This is my subnet 2. Okay. I'm going to create a 2 servers, right? 4 servers, right? You can give public access for these 2 servers. For example, you can give private access for these 2 servers. Okay. So what I'm going to do, this subnet, I'm going to create a public subnet. This subnet, I'm going to create a private subnet. Now requirement is what, guys? This 2 is going to the public. So whenever the public server requirement will come, I will take and create here. Whenever private servers requirement will come, I will create here. So you mean if you are creating a servers in this subnet means all servers are public servers. Clear? You mean if you are creating a servers here means all servers are private servers. I mean, using a subnetwork concept, again, we are applying some filters. Yes, these servers are public, these servers are private. How you can? By using subnets. Clear? Now the point is subnets are works under availability zones level. Okay. So AP South 1A subnet, 1B subnet. Clear? Availability zones is nothing but subnets now. Subnets AP South 1A, you can create multiple subnets. I mean, in the 1A level, you are creating multiple subnets. Is it public or private? Completely your wish. Clear everyone now? So now if I'm going to create a one instance, na sir, that instance access I'm going to give public. That instance should place in public subnet. There is public means internet is coming to your subnet. No, sir, I'm going to create a 4 servers. I should not give access to everyone. So you can create in the private subnet. Private subnet is not exposed to internet. No one can access. Only access public team only. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So I will come to that. Little confusion. I will give clarity. Don't worry. So the requirement is now again TCS is going to create 4 servers. 2 is public, 2 is private. This is requirement. Or I have given this requirement to you to do that. So first what you need to do? First VPCs need to create. First VPCs need to create. Okay. Created VPC. Okay. Created VPC. So 4 subnets, right? 4 instances, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have created, for example. How you can ensure this 2 is public, this 2 is private? No. The requirement is 2 public, 2 private instance, right? Public instance means anyone can access. Private means no one can access. For example, you are working in any company. Company portals are there, right? Company portals, you can give your PF details, something, whatever, sorry, salary details. That no one can access. Only you can access, right? But public means EPF portal, anyone can access. That is your portal. I mean, I'm not access means website, not inside. So this is public, this is private. For example, there is no subnetwork concepts. So how you can ensure this 2 is public, this 2 is private? If you can apply this 2 public means indirectly this 2 also public. If you apply this 2 private means this 2 also private. But multiple requirements in the same VPC. How you can achieve? 2 public, 2 private. How you can achieve? That's called subnet concepts are coming. Subnet concepts are coming. Here I need to create how many subnets, guys? 2 subnets. Sir, can't we create 2 is public, na sir? One public 1 subnet, public 2 subnet, and let me change the color. Public means, for example, green. Public 1 subnet, public 2 subnet, and again private 3 subnet, private 4 subnet. Okay. So this is VPC. Inside, I'm going to add here 1 server, here 1 server, here 1 server, here 1 server. Yes, we can do it. But here we need to understand one thing. Here to here, is there any difference? Only subnet count is increasing. But your agenda is what? Public EC2. Why you need to increase the network? Clear? If you are increasing the network, 100 servers requirement will come. You are going to create 100 subnets. If your 100 subnets means 100 dependencies is going to add into your. It's very difficult to manage the network, right? So your requirement is public, private, that's it only. If they ask this instance only can access for only these people, may they can think next. But they are saying only public and private only. So why we need to create different subnets? So what I'm going to do, I can create only two subnets. Always we are going to create in real time only two type of subnets, public or private. There is no mixed subnets, half public, half private like that. Nothing is there, okay? Okay. So your first infrastructure requirement created a VPC, then created a subnets. Okay. This is public subnet. So now you tell me guys, while creating a subnet, what I need to choose, region or availability zone? Availability zone. So this subnet is going to create 1A or 1B or 1C. You have to give it. See 1A or 1B or 1C. Same. This is also private subnet. 1A or 1B or 1C. Since we have a 3 availability zones in Mumbai, right? Is it clear everyone now? Now the requirement is what? 2 servers. Okay, create this public subnet simply. Other requirement 2 is private. Create in private. Sir, how you can say public private? I need to discuss that. I need to discuss that. Okay. Is that clear? How I can say this is public? No, just I'm explaining only how I can make it. See, in that AWS network concepts, there is no straightforward method to create a public subnet, private subnet. There is a method is subnet. We can make it public. We can make it private with your infrastructure. Create using some components. You can make it as a this subnet public, this subnet private. Yeah, I'm coming. So limit. We can create 100 subnets limit. Okay. Sir, this will also will ask an interviews now means some interviewers are not in good knowledge on cloud. They don't know what they need to ask. Simply they can ask how many VPCs can create, how many subnets can create, how many accounts can create, how many times can log in. These type of questions will come. We can easily understand, okay, this guy is other background guy. So you can say any number also, he can fix on that, no problem. 200, oh yeah, 200, yes, no problem. Okay. But don't expect these questions from the experts. They will ask questions, how to make it subnet as a public. This question will come. Okay. How to make it server as a private. This question will come. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? So now the requirement is 4, right? Now requirement is increased. For example, now 8 public subnets. Sorry, 8 public EC2s. 8 private EC2s. Do I need to create subnet again? No, you can add this 8 into this subnet. You can add this 8 into this subnet. Your subnets are already ready. You need to understand requirement. So in that case, why they have given 100 subnets? 2 is fine. No, the case is, I will tell you. For example, in the 8 public EC2s, 4 can work other rules. 4 can work other rules. Different security rules. In that case, I cannot control. I can create one more subnet. Right or not? The requirement, guys, you need to understand first. Here, straightforward method. Create public EC2s, create private EC2s. I also straightly created 2 subnets and added. Again, they have added some other requirements. No, these subnets, whatever you have created, this 2 out of 7 EC2 instance, this 3 can access other, this 3 can access not other. If you are giving any conditions now, multiple conditions you are going to add in the subnet. Instead of that condition to condition, you can create a subnet. Clear? Yeah. For example, Wipro requirement, guys. Again, guys, every time I'm using Wipro, I'm not a Wipro employee. There is no any partialities. I'm taking any one company, Infosys, okay? Infosys giving project to someone, okay, they have created a subnets. They are going to control on top of the, again, the servers. These two servers only for different applications, right or not? These two, for example, guys, this two is only for same applications, Flipkart. Okay. Now I'm going to add two more servers for different applications. We should not use the same application, same subnet, right? Why? The rules are same. This application is allowing for other people. The rules may they follow some other rules to allow. If you're using, for example, same subnet for other application, that application also for Infosys, though, if it is other company means we should not use the same VPC first of all. So they are saying other application, the Flipkart, for example, Amazon. Just take an example. Both are not in no same subnet anyway. Amazon. Okay. So they are saying Flipkart can access only few people, Amazon can access few people. So what you need to do, create one more subnet for Amazon and add Amazon applications over there. Why we need to mix it here? Different applications, right? We have a limit. We can increase up to 1,000 also, no problem in that case. But we should not create different company project in your subnet. That is company account will change. We are on the Infosys account, VPC. You can create multiple subnets, multiple VPCs, multiple servers, no problem inside his account. Now other company will come now, you should not use this account. They will give you other account. Understand? Again, you need to create VPC subnets. The subnets will help to create network inside network as per your requirement. That's it only. It is a same application. If it is a different application, completely your wish, your company wish. You need to know here how to create a subnet, how to create a VPC, how to make it public, how to make it private, how many subnets required, what servers is, maintain this server, everything they will give the idea for us. Clear everyone now? Okay, this is also possible. You can create it. Why can't we both it in same now? See, for example, 1A, 1B, 1C is there. You are creating one inside 1A, public subnet, private subnet. You can create it. Why 1A, 1B, 1C? I will tell you here. Now that point will come. For example, this is 1A. This is 1B. This is 1C. Okay? You will get 100% clarity if you do any lab. Okay? Theoretical, maybe these are assumptions, right? Maybe you may few confusions are there. I can understand. No problem. I will give you 100% clarity in the labs. So this is what VPC, right? This is what VPC. Now, do you really think 1A, 1B is same place? 1A, 1B availability zones are in same place. I mean, same street, same building. 1B, 1C? No, right? Yes, no. The reason is in between 100 kilometers radius are there. Yes, all are in Mumbai only. This is Mumbai. And 100 kilometers radius distance. Why? Why can't there is no place now in the Mumbai to place 3 availability zones in one area? This is called disaster management. For example, your servers are there here, right? Here. You will just create all servers, one availability zone inside subnets. Okay. For example, disaster means what? Any disaster. Earthquake. If the sea is there, tsunami. If sea is not there, cyclone, earthquakes. So many reasons in there, right? So here, this surrounding, some earthquake may happen. So this subnets, I mean, this availability zone entire is going to down. So all applications you can experience down, right or not? So AWS is saying If you have a 100 servers requirement is there, if you create same availability zones or different availability zones, cost is same. Then why I need to do risk here? You can split here. Clear? Here few, here. Cost is same, right? At least here something is happen. Other 1B1C may running. So you will get response from there. So you need to understand one more thing. It is a Flipkart application. Na? Here also you need to maintain Flipkart application. This is what? High availability concept, what we discuss. Creating one more server to give a response. That created server may be different availability zone is the good choice. Is it clear now? Yeah. So you can create here, no problem. Or here. But the if you choose this level now, you will get a high availability. If something is, how to protect a disaster, maybe you will get a question from the interviews. So instead of following all the application servers in one availability zones, I'm going to split into different availability zones. If one availability zone made down, other availability zones will come into that. Now question will come, I think already came. Let me check. If 1 year, that's what we explained, right? This is 1 year only, right? I think someone may supposed to ask if region may down. Right or not? If region may down, inside region what guys? Region contains availability zones only. This is calling group of availability zones or region. Again, region, there is no data center separately. Group of availability zones calling region. That's what we explained. One availability zone fail means indirectly inside region, one hand down. Clear, right? Two is there, right? Two is working. Sir, let's suppose the earthquake 300 radius will come. I have never seen 300 radius earthquake. Only 10 kilometers, 50 kilometers. They know before that's what they have maintained 100 kilometers. If the earthquake is there in the 300 kilometers, definitely they will maintain 500 kilometers. Is it clear? Yeah. They know well compared to us, right? Mm. Even though happen, we have other region, right? What other region? Hyderabad. Sir, even India also earthquake. We have a US regions, right? They are maintaining one copies US regions also. You will get from US also. Sir, entire globe, who will use this application first? Clear? Don't ask this question. Okay. Is it clear, guys? This is called high availability zones. I mean, disaster recoveries. So the final architecture, one more time, I'm going to show you. Yes, one is VPC based on your region selection. You are creating a one server means first we need to create a one VPC and you can create a one subnet, whatever, one or two or three, single line diagram. You can create a servers. Is this clear, everyone now? Okay. So region selection, we have to select region. Availability zones, we have to select the subnets. Okay. Now, data production, everything we have to enable. See, in AWS, few services are there. AWS managed services. Okay. For example, guys, Gmail is there. Gmail is managed service or you are managing? Hmm? Gmail is managing service or you are managing? Hmm? The region copy has stored outside of the organization. Yes. Managing service. You are not managing the server, right? Gmail is running on server, right? You don't know what server it is. They are managing Gmail's providers are managing the servers. Clear or not? But definitely it will work in one server, right? You are using that application, Gmail application, but Gmail is running other servers. You don't know what server it is, right? Same like that. Here also, few services we need to create, we need to configure data protection, security. If you are managing service, if cloud provider managing services are there, that is they are called, they are taking care of data protections. Okay, we'll discuss in the coming classes how we can protect the data. There is a KMS concepts are there in that. It will come. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now, so we need to add, we have a time. So how to make it public subnet, private subnet? So Shrikant N.I.T. Okay. Shrikant, are you going to give anything?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to enable your audio, Shrikant. I think already enabled.
Yes. Hi guys, I'm audible. Can you please confirm in the chat box? Guys, I'm audible. Can you confirm in the chat box? Okay, guys. As I told you in the last class, just drop me a message. Just drop me a message in the WhatsApp at after 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. so that I'll add you to the Google Classroom and Telegram. I'll share you the links once I added you. You can join the Google Classroom as well as the Telegram group. Please send a message after 1 p.m. Once you receive the links, please don't reply me. Don't reply me. Okay, thank you, thumb fingers. Okay, don't send me any message once you receive the links. And one more important thing here, while joining the Google Classroom, once I added you and shared you the link, please, you should have only one account in your device. It may be your mobile or your laptop. Only one account should be there. Okay, if you have multiple accounts in your device, it will ask for the code and we can't give you the code. So make sure that once you click on the link, what you receive, only one account should be there. Please sign out all the accounts and keep only one account in your device so that you can join the Google Classroom. Is that clear, guys? Send me a message after 1 p.m. so that I'll be adding you to the Google Classroom. Is that okay, guys? Please confirm in the chat box. Sharma, I'll be adding you to the Google Classroom and Telegram group. Only one account. What email ID you have shared me, that email ID only should be active. Other email IDs, if you have any multiple email IDs or accounts, please sign out them. Log out. Once you have joined the Google Classroom, again you can join other accounts. You can add other accounts. Okay, guys? Sir, thank you, sir. Rupesh, I'm saying send me a message here. Send me a message
Okay.
after 1
So
p.m.
guys, I hope you got a clarity, right? How link will work? Clarity means link. So guys, I mean, every day we are going to send a link to you. Is it correct, right? So
Sir,
that link, if you share to someone, it will not work. Okay. Some maybe others requesting you, please send the link. Okay. I will send my links. You will send your links. It will not work. And one more time, guys, one more thing. Don't add any special groups. I'm not responsible for that. I mean, Naresh IT is not responsible. We are going to add a official group. Only you can participate in that group only. Is it clear? Again, Hyderabad SR Nagar group, Mumbai, that group, early morning batch group. Don't create any group. Okay. Maybe you run the risk if you are joining the group. I don't know. So we are only one group. I'm going to add you all guys in that group, Telegram group. Okay. And please use that for professional discussions. Hi, good mornings, good afternoon, what's special today? It is not recommended. If someone requesting you to call, completely your wish. Sir, someone is asking me to call. Can I? Don't ask me. If you are okay, you can talk. Related subject. Again, same. Chicken curry or mutton curry. It is not recommended. Hmm? Is it clear, guys, everyone? Hmm. Okay. We will share, don't worry, guys. We will share everything to you. Okay, everything to you. The classroom links, Telegram link. Okay, everything to you. Don't worry for that. Okay, see, come here now. The concept is now how to make it public, private. Very, very important concept. Sir, my question. What is your question? Sir, Muhammad Imran. If copy of region is maintained outside of the country, then in the earlier class you had mentioned that there is a policy that data of country should not go outside country. Guys, understand here one thing. This is not your choice. This is AWS choice. We have so many options to enable in AWS. Yes, wish to continue to maintain your data across regions, you need to enable it. It is not a free of cost. It's a double cost. You are maintaining the copyright. It's a double cost. Clear, no? Why? Why you are asking region may fail. It does not happen in any case, even availability zone also fail. Still, you are asking more secure, more secure. After that, you are sending in that application WhatsApp chat. The application is not a critical application, but you are maintaining different copies. Okay, is it clear what I'm trying to say? The costing, guys, depends on your usage. Depends on your application. We are going to maintain a backups. Everything in your hand. If you are enable, you can enable, they can enable. Otherwise, they won't. I hope you clear. It will take care of government. AWS government in his message. Okay, guys, let's start going little depth now. Little depth. Guys, we have a one VPC, right? We have a one VPC. Yes. Okay. So inside what? Subnets is in availability zone level. I'm not going to discuss availability zone. These are subnets now. Okay. I have created two subnets. Is it clear? Why there is a requirement of 4 servers? 2 public servers. After creating network only, we are going to create a one EC2 instance. Clear? So we need to manage the network. Then only we are going to create a server. After creating server only, we are doing practice of Linux commands. After doing Linux commands, we are going to start Maven, Git something on that servers. Clear now? 2 public servers, 2 private servers. So definitely we need a one subnet. We cannot make it 2 public servers, 2 private servers. Definitely we need to create a 2 subnets. That first subnet is, public and private. Sir, I'm just mentioning these are the subnets only. Subnet 1. At this time, subnet 1. I can't say this is public subnet. There is nothing is there, only have created VPC only. You have to make it as a public subnet. How do I do it? I will discuss now. Subnet 1. This is subnet 2 only. I don't know which one is public, which one is private. So how to configure, make it as a public subnet, private subnet. See guys, if you create a VPC, okay, first if you create a VPC to come internet, for example, the user is accessing one application, right? Definitely the request will go to VPC first and subnet inside your EC2, and inside your EC2 application is there. So the request is coming inside means definitely we need an internet gateway. Like if you are getting internet from your home, right? The internet is coming some gateway panels, nearby gateway panels. Clear or not? Yes. No, sir. Enter VPC. I'm going to make it private. I'm not allowing any internet gateways. Then this is your choice. Create VPC. That's it. No need to create any internet gateway. So there is a mixed concepts, public and private. You can create internet gateway and attach to VPC. I'm writing point here. Create don't confuse, we will give clarity. Create IG means internet gateway and attach to your VPC. See, in any custom network, this is the second point. What is the first point? Create VPC. Once create a VPC, we need to create an internet gateway and attach to your VPC. Without attaching internet gateway, all subnets work as a private subnets. If no internet gateway means the request will stay here only, not enter with public or private first of all, stay block in VPC level only. We are using Wi-Fi. If something is wrong in your gateway panels, nearby zone, gateway panels, enter your, for example, you live in a gated community. There is a gateway panel of entire community to reach your internet from there. If the gateway panel issue means all are not getting internet, right? Enter homes. That's what. Here there is a homes, there is a panel. Otherwise, this is the entire home. VPC is your home. These are the your bedrooms, whatever you can think it. Yes, I have attached internet, created internet gateway and attached to VPC. Now the request easily can come because you are able to create a VPC, for example. Okay, means if you attach internet gateway means the request has to go some any public subnet. Why public subnets? We are using public internet, right? So inside server is there, inside application is there. Definitely our main goal is for public application. So if it is a public application, everyone can access, right? You are giving access to public to use this application. To access this application, first the request will come to VPC, right? If there is no internet gateway, your application, your aim is to give this application public. But your internet gateway is not attached here, so no one can access your application. Sir, inside private application also there. For example, if I attach internet gateway, the request, the both can access? No. I will tell you why. Okay, till here clear? Created internet gateway attached to VPC. Now internet is here, right? Internet here. Okay. So now internet is here means internet will not apply for subnet and subnet 2. You have to route it. So you have a route tables, right? Routers in your home. Why? Route the internet from your gateway panels, right or not? See, this is the gateway panel. This is my home. So I have a gateway panel in my area or in my society, but will not get internet. You have to route it. You have to route to your home, right or not? See, here internet is there, but there is no routings here, right? There is no routings here. If you provide a routing to here, now this is public subnet or private subnet? Public subnet. Why? Public internet is routing to public subnet. What about this one? This is still private. Why? There is no any path here. If no path means here there is application running. Anyone can access this application by using laptop? No. Your request is coming here, yes, but there is no routing here to go here. The routing is here to only to here. Is it clear, everyone? So we are using a device to route. The device name is called route table. So in our on-premises, we are calling routers, right? In cloud, we are calling route table. In on-premises servers, you are calling servers. In cloud, you are calling EC2 instances. Same like that. The names little difference, but process is same. So I'm using route table. What is route table? To route the internet from one device to other device. Okay. There is a questions. Sir, I'm using MacBook. I can't able to see if you are using MacBook or Windows, whatever, you are unable to copy. There is no permissions. What you need to do, click on the links, YouTube links. It will redirecting to your YouTube, right? Take the copy of the address of your YouTube video. See guys, if you have any login issues, please message to this admin team. I mean, app support team. There is a separate app support team of your logins issues are. Please take somewhere this number. I'm also copying somewhere. Any issues? It is new link. Maybe you will face the issues. Okay. We are here, right? Okay, guys. Now we know what first we need to create VPC. Next, we need to create internet, subnets or internet gateway, whatever it is. Do one thing, guys. First, VPC part done. Create VPC, create internet gateway, attach it. Then come to subnets, create subnets. Sir, public or private? We don't know, right? First, create two subnets. We need to make it as a public. There is a straightforward action also there, automation, but we need to understand manual process first, then move to automation. If you go directly automation, the backend, what's going on, you don't know. If something issue will come, we can't say delete and we can create again automation where, right? We need to troubleshoot it as a DevOps and AWS engineers. Okay. So we need to route it, right? Route table is created, right? Yes, route table is created. Now, if a route, first route is, understand it, guys. First route is from internet gateway to, okay, I'm going to routing from here to here. Your subnet. This is public subnet or private subnet? Are you sure? This is public subnet or private subnet? How you are saying this is public? Tell me anyone. Huh? Tell me anyone. How it is a public subnet? Green. Green. Green, green, green. See this diagram, guys. Is it public or private? Why not? Why, how can you say it's already decided? Again, green. Oh my God, green. Okay, I'm asking you guys, is it public or private? That's it only. My cursor is on green. Okay, green is public or private. Guys, you tell me one thing. Okay, this is public. Inside EC2 instance is created. Inside Flipkart application is running. You have given access. So the request is coming to here. This is my laptop. This is my laptop. I'm accessing Flipkart application. The request is going to first VPC, right? Yes, internet gateway is attached. Next, IZ2. Yes, IZ2. Is there any path? Then how you can say here path is there, route table to your path is there, but there is no internet to route table first, right? Clear or not? Okay. For example, if I provide route here to here, now it is a public, right? So this guy is come to internet gateway and route table also given path to here to subnet. Now this subnet is public. Is it clear now? Everyone? Now you can create any servers. These servers act as a public servers. Now you can make it change of the subnet one is a public subnet. Now clear? What about this subnet now? Private. Why? I haven't given any route from any internet gateway. Private and public. What is the difference? Whoever using internet is a public. You are not using it, it's a private. That's it only, right? Yeah. Yeah. So now, yes, as per the requirement, two private servers are created. Two EC2s. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. I have one question to everyone now. Guys, this is your EC2 instance. If you are inside of your EC2 instance, for example, logged in, you need internet. Why internet? If you want to update something, If you want to install something, require libraries, packages for your code, you need internet, right? Then internet is coming here. Internet is coming here. Then how can I update my application? Let's suppose this is my application in my EC2 instance. I need to install import board 3. Install means internet is required, right? Then how can I? This is private server, complete private server, right? So internet is not going from here and not coming to here. There is no any ways to come and go towards outwards. There is no paths here. But I need internet. How to use? VPN, any process. See, VPN is difference is what, guys? If you are using VPN, again you need to use your laptop, and your VPN is going to connect to your internet gateway only. Do you really think without internet VPN is working? So in your company, you are connected to your VPN, right? Okay. Disconnect your Wi-Fi. Are you able to connect? Then internet is required, right? Clear, right? Okay. Then my private EC2 instance internet required. How? So in this matter, I need internet, but I will not give access to outside people. This using this internet. Two things we need to understand here. If I need internet, I will come and access whenever internet required. But I will not allow others to this here. I need internet, but no one can access my application. I only can access my application. Understand the point here? If others may access means unnecessarily we need to create a private subnet. We can create it in this EC2 instance also here, right? So in this matter, we have a one device is called NAT gateway. Okay, NAT gateway. So what is NAT gateway here? What is internet gateway here? Internet gateway. Okay, let me write internet gateway. What is internet gateway? To provide internet to any device. By using route table. Yes, internet gateway provide internet to any device by using route table. So here we need to understand very, very important point is internet gateway, I mean IG will allows both directions. Ingress and egress are inbound or outbound rules. Inbound and or outbound. Okay. This is important point. So how can I say, guys? See, if you can come here, if you attach internet gateway, IG. So if anyone want to access your application, definitely you can access through your IG and access your application. The same thing in your server. If you want to update anything, your request will go here to use internet. Right? Two directions your internet gateway will allow. Or if you want to connect any other packages from the Google, definitely. If you need to install, for example, Flipkart related packages, it is not there in your server. What you need to do, you can install from Google only, right? By using wget command in Linux. We are using that command and you can access here. No problem. This is public, right? You can go out, you can come in. No problem. But what private instance is saying here? I can go to use internet. Requirement will be there. But I cannot allow outside people. Is it clear the scenario? Okay. So the scenario is here. We are using NAT gateway. So the good thing in the NAT gateway is it will allow only one direction. I mean egress, not in ingress. Clear? So not in ingress means what? For example, This is the device of NAT gateway. So the NAT gateway device, this is source. Okay. This is target. Let's assume. Or let me change it. This is system, public system. This is your server. Okay. This is your EC2. So NAT gateway public. So NAT gateway, this is ingress. Ingress means towards to your server. It will not allow. Is it clear? It will allow egress means reverse direction. It will allow. That's what NAT gateway definition it is. So these guys, public guys cannot access this instance by using this internet by using the NAT gateway. Is it clear? But if it is an internet gateway, for example, IG. See, IG statement, if you can see, provide internet to any device by using route table. IG will allows both direction ingress and egress. So the same case, this is my laptop. This is my server. The response go to here and response come to here. This is what? IG. Is it clear, everyone? So NAT gateway allows only one direction, not like IG. Okay, in this case, yes, network address translations. Thank you. My job is very easy. Very fun. So now, okay. Now the question is, we are using NAT gateway, right? To provide internet to your server. Where should I put my NAT gateway? In public or private? Let's assume your NAT gateway you are placing private. I mean, you have to give, see, internet gateway attached to PPC, right? NAT gateway also attached to some device. The NAT gateway we have to attach to subnet level. We are looking internet for subnet level, right? Not VPC level internet gateway is there. So NAT gateway, we need to say that, hey, NAT gateway, you need to work in any one subnet level. That subnet you need to provide internet gateway, internet. For example, you are saying NAT gateway is private. You are saying NAT gateway is private. So EC2 is looking for internet from the NAT gateway, right? To use it, to update something. First, NAT gateway internet is there. Then how NAT gateway will provide NAT to EC2 instance? Is it clear? So NAT gateway we need to place public subnet. Is it clear? This is interview question. NAT gateway is in public subnet. Any questions here? NAT gateway public questions. Any questions is here? Yeah, I'll come to that. Sir, please repeat. Yes. Okay. So we need one thing clearly. What? So we need a NAT gateway to provide internet. It will support one direction. NAT gateway will attach. Let me write that point. NAT gateway attach to any subnet. Internet gateway attached to VPCs. Clear, right? NAT gateway is attached to subnets. Okay. Now any subnets means if my private instance need internet from the NAT gateway. So NAT gateway will provide internet gateway to your private server. Even internet gateway also you can use, but it is public both directions. If I require internet is required from my end, this guy also can access my application. This is not correct, right? This is private application. If I give internet gateway, everyone can access. There is no private subnet concept here. This is a public subnet indirectly. But to overcome the internet gateway, whatever it is a nature to allow ingress, outgress, whatever ingress and outgress, I'm using NAT gateway. So one thing is clear. NAT gateway will not allow ingress. That's okay. Then NAT gateway we can use. Where I can use the NAT gateway? Here or here. For example, sir, definitely NAT gateway will provide internet to private means NAT gateway also private if you can think. To provide means again we need to create a route table to give a path NAT gateway to your EC2 instance. But first of all, NAT gateway they're in private subnet, right? But internet, how internet will come to NAT gateway? To provide NAT gateway internet to your EC2 instance. Is it clear? Okay, sir, we can provide a routing here. For example, where to provide internet na sir NAT gateway, we can provide routing here. If I provide routing, the NAT gateway there in private subnet, the routing is through private subnet means this is public subnet now, right? Why? This route table is connected to internet gateway. That's what we can do. This is not recommended. You can do one thing, place a NAT gateway in public subnet. Okay? Place a NAT gateway in public subnet. So subnet already public subnet. So internet also there in the NAT gateway. Now I can route from the NAT gateway to EC2 server. Sir, NAT gateway is public means EC2 also public. Nana. No, NAT gateway will not allow this direction. That's what we discuss now, right? So for example, in your case, this guy can access my private instance, na, sir. How? Let's go. Here not allow, right? Clear now? As per the NAT gateway process. Right or not? So this guy can access. We cannot allow ingress from outside. So now NAT gateway internet is there, right? I can use the internet gateway by providing route table pathing. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. You have created NAT gateway in public. Means we'll get internet to private server. We have to provide a path, right? Creating internet gateway means not getting internet to public subnet. We need to create a route table. We need to provide a path. So I need to create one more route table, right? Can I use public route table here? No. So I need to create a one more route table called private. This is private RT. Why private route table? Private route table here. To route NAT gateway is in public na. I'm in the private. How to provide a path to use the internet? I'm using route table again. So here, like internet gateway is ready. Now route table is ready. NAT gateway is ready. What I need to do? Can I use internet now? As per this architecture? No, right? Where is the pathing? I just purchase a route table only now. But I should put in my network, right? If my route table, I just go and purchase a router from some company, some store. But internet will not come, right? I have to configure into my home network, my route table. Then only it will work. So I have created route table means I have purchased a route table now. But see, purchasing or created, it will not give a solution. We need to configure into your network, right? What I need to do? Provided routing. Will it private now? Internet will come? No. I need to provide this one also. Is it clear, everyone now? Okay, now, yeah, this is the process, guys. Public and private. Is it clear? That's it, guys. If you know this network concept now, we can easily do it anything. Okay. We're running out of time already 10:34. We can close the session. So anyone has any questions? Network, what we learned today? VPC, subnet, internet gateway, route tables, NAT gateway. Is it clear, everyone? Yeah. Okay, guys, if you are clear means, is there any scenario without NAT gateway to how to access private EC2 servers? That we'll discuss tomorrow class. Okay. Yeah, you guys has to revise. So please revise the topics, what we discussed today. So take a screenshots better. Meanwhile, online team, take a screenshots. I think I need to add you guys in the group, right? Until you just take a screenshots for today. But maybe tomorrow onwards, if you guys are there in the group, I will share these files in that. Take a screenshot for this page to understand for today topic. If you're done means I will just open one more. This one also. This one also. And finally, this one. Okay. One more time. Huh? Okay. Let me show from one. This is first one. Okay. This is second one. Okay. This is final one. So once we do the lab now, we'll get 100% clarity on this. Okay. Okay. Online team. So tomorrow, no problem. Whatever doubts you have, just write somewhere. We can discuss tomorrow. First 10 minutes on your doubts. Okay. Then we can move next topic. See, this is just a theory, guys. This is just theory. So if you can do one lab now, you will get 100% clarity. This is last image. Lab classes, guys, everything I will show you here only. There is no separate lab sessions. Okay, from the scratch, everything we can build here only. There is no any separate lab sessions. If you want to do practice, there is separate lab sessions only. That is for your practice. If you have any doubts, there is a mentor there. You can ask. Everything I will show you. I'm not asking you to depend any one thing on another person. That's what 3.5 months journey, right? Okay, clear? Yeah. And one more thing, don't bring any laptops for the labs. You just understand you can do it. That's it only. That is a good practice. If I'm showing something you are doing parallelly, you miss something. Okay. I can give definitely clarity. If you listen my lab, what I'm going to do here, I will share the steps and everything. You can easily do it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. First lab when? Once complete the network concepts. Okay. Okay, guys. Instead of writing, can you unmute? I'm not getting here. I have already unmute you. If I unmute, na, definitely next day you can say, sir, please mute all. Wasting our time. Anyway, I'm going to provide, the Telegram, right? You can talk to me if you have any doubts. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone. Bye-bye.